my team saved the congregation of Benedictine Sisters, St. Scholastica Monastery, 7 figures in out-of-pocket property expense. And today, I'm standing at our completed project where we have completed over 40 roofs on the property. You see, there was a major hailstorm that came through this side of town just a number of months ago, and it caused significant roof damage. The sisters reached out to us and asked us to help them with their leaks, and we ended up working with their insurance company where they paid to replace all 40 roofs on the property. Our project has consisted of shingles, R-panel, standing seam metal, and a TPO roof system that, by the way, has a manufacturer's warranty for 20 years in both labor and materials. So if you're a commercial building owner or property manager that was in the path of a recent storm, you need to reach out to my team and we'll see how we can help you potentially save a ton of money by working with your insurance company. From shingles to standing seam and every system in between, look us up on the web at arproofing.com.